recessed bow?
I don't know.
Somebody
builds
did it?
a lot of them. Yeah, I don't care for them.
Watch him drive right up the middle of that, Doug. Now he's got the yellow 4x4.
We won't go there either, Chuck.
I'm going to go down and change my underwear again. Oh, how many pairs did you bring?
Where's he going?
Several.
Don't you normally run right up at Linson Shore and
That's
just
what
move
I
over?
do. That's what I do. The
Good
4-over,
job there, Rich.
4-over is real big today.